School, kindly be seated. स्थाने स्थिते सूथरामे पर्वतौ प्रविशेत्रिते विधा परम दुर्गथा गुरुना कात्यायिते. Hari Om. This verse beautifully highlights how a strong foundation established by a wise mentor leads us towards excellence in both knowledge and conduct. A warm welcome to our esteemed Chairman Sir, Dr. Mohan Magnani, Renu Ma'am, Sargam Ma'am, Surya Sir, Dharvesh Sir, Kirti Ma'am, Omandeep Sir and the management. While the country saw its vision transformed into a lasting entity through this year's Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha, we celebrate our Founders Day today in honor of the person who breathed life into this organization. We wish you a very happy birthday, sir. Dr. Mohan Magnani, a name revered not only by Horizonites but by the entire nation, strive to bring about a culmination of tradition and vision through education. With hands joined and a heartfelt Hari Om, Gurukul welcomes everyone with open arms. Our institution's commitment to character building is showcased through Values Plus classes, community service through Youth Seva, Rotary Club and Upahar, fostering self-reliance, entrepreneurship and experiential learning through events like Udan and Gyan Mela. All of this is a testament to our chairman's unwavering dedication to holistic development, where an individual's participation and achievements are equally appreciated and valued. It is because of this very attention paid to every facet of a student's development that makes our chairman a visionary of his times. To the man who stands at the forefront of educational innovation, a very happy birthday and a very grand welcome. Let us honor him with a huge round of applause. Dance says what words cannot. Now we have a beautiful performance by our Gurukulites to paint a moving portrait of our Chairman Sir. Let us now witness the extraordinary path he took to become one of India's top educational philanthropists and entrepreneurs.
Hari Om. It is said, great men inspire humankind, and their footsteps become the guiding lights for others to follow. It helps everyone to resonate with their lofty ideals and vision. In the galaxy of philanthropists and gems of Bharat is our bright, shining star, our beloved chairman, Dr. Mohan Magnani. Words fall short to describe his life and the unparalleled work that he has done for the society. His life, his words, his life experiences serve as an eternal guide for the young men and women to chase excellence and perfection in every endeavor and emerge as scintillating and powerful leaders that our Bharat, our country, needs today. In today's presentation, we attempt to showcase few of the life episodes of Dr. Mohan Magnani that stirred the soul with great pride to lead a successful and fulfilling life like him. भाइयों और बहनों, भारतीय सेवाश्रम आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता है। आज का ये स्वर्णिम दिन हम सब के लिए एक प्रेरणा स्रोत है। We request every one of you to take your seats and join us in our NGO's anniversary celebrations.
Dear viewers of Republic TV, you are watching live coverage celebrate of Bharatiya Sevashram centenary celebration, and just now you watched Sri Ram Nathji, social reformist, addressing the gathering. Stay tuned to watch for an exclusive interview of Sri Ram Nathji. The celebrations are about to begin, and here is the show of exuberance and euphoria exclusively on Republic TV. Before you sign off for the day, few questions. Our Republic TV viewers are eagerly waiting for you. Firstly, hearty congratulations for the tremendous growth of Bharatiya Sevashram, and the social outreach programs that you have undertaken are unparalleled in recent times. We are wondering as audience how this tremendous, mind-blowing transformation has taken place within a span of 3 years.
Thank you, madam. We are just instrumental. What you see today, the splendor, the exuberance, and the joy are the gifts of great visionary, a nationalist, and a philanthropist whose charity of crores of rupees towards various social programs like ours, Bharatiya Sevashram, has made us witness this golden day.
In current times, where selfless service has taken a back seat, I wonder, such noble souls exist?
Yes, of course. Diamonds do exist. There is no wonder in it.
Well, may I know whom are you referring to?
This diamond is rarest of rare. His work speaks volumes. His leadership is unparalleled. His vision for Atmanirbhar Bharat inspires the youth. His philanthropy sparks goodness in everyone. He is the blessed child of Lord Ganpati. He is none other than Dr. Mohan Mandani.
Quite inspiring, sir. We would like to know more about him.
Oh, yes, sure. From an early age, young Mohan displayed unquenchable curiosity and keen intellect filled with nationalism. Despite initial hardships and struggles, young Mohan never had a complaint. His vision, his values, imbibed in him by his loving parents, made him stronger with passing summers and winters. For young Mohan, nation first was the motto, and he dreamt of joining Indian Army to serve our dear motherland, Bharat.
माँ कहाँ हो आप?
आई मोहन, क्या हुआ बेटा?
माँ मैं इंडियन आर्मी ज्वाइन करना चाहता हूँ. आई वॉन्ट टू सर्व माई कंट्री भारत.
हाँ, क्यों नहीं बेटा? हमें अपने आप के साथ साथ हमारे देश के हित के लिए भी हमेशा सोचना चाहिए.
तो क्या बातें हो रही है माँ और बेटे के बीच में?
पापा मैं आपके काम में हाथ बटाना चाहता हूँ.
Good boy, but I want you to complete your studies with a lot of sincerity.
Even with humble beginnings and challenges, young Mohan displayed unimaginable perseverance and sincerity. After completing his schooling and college studies in Mumbai, young Mohan began his professional journey.
मोहन जरा यहाँ पे आना.
नमस्ते पिताजी. आई वॉन्ट टू बी योर पिलर ऑफ सपोर्ट. बचपन में तो आपने मुझे मना कर दिया था, बट नाउ प्लीज डोंट से नो टू मी.
Take these.
Envelopes and stamps? Pitaji, what should I do with them?
Yes, this is your first task. Stick these stamps on the envelopes. Check the invitations for all the guests who are invited for our institution's annual event and post them without fail.
Yes, Pitaji, as you wish. I stick these stamps and post them as soon as possible.
Dr. Mohan Mandani's devotion to Lord Ganesha is as deep as the sea. He believes Lord Ganpati is his guide and source of inspiration, and the absolute force behind every major decision he takes in both personal and professional domains. There are many soul-stirring spiritual experiences of Dr. Mohan Magnani which he cherishes even today, and they form a strong bedrock for his intense, unflinching love for Lord Vinayaka, the Vignaharta. A miraculous event took place a decade ago when Dr. Mohan Magnani was returning to Bengaluru after a short visit in Mysore.
ड्राइवर, गाड़ी रोको।
बताइए, आपकी क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ?
One idol of Lord Ganesha, perfect in all aspects, catches his attention and he decides to purchase it to adorn his altar back in Bengaluru.
This one is very beautifully sculpted. I feel Lord Ganesha's divine presence in this idol and is asking me to take him home.
बिल्कुल साहब, आपने इसे सही पहचाना। आप जो कह रहे हो वो सही है।
So, how much do I pay for this beautiful creation?
सब आप जैसे गणेश भक्त के लिए मैं इसे 20,000 में ही दे दूंगा।
उतना रेडी कैश तो कैरी नहीं कर रहा हूँ अभी।
साहब, मैं आपके साथ बेंगलुरु चलता हूँ। आप मुझे वही पैसे दे दीजिए।
Fits the altar as if it was waiting for the Lord's arrival at NHPS.
Oh, amazing! The idol of Ganapati Bappa fits the altar perfectly, which was built long ago. This is truly a divine coincidence. जय हो गणपति बप्पा, आपकी जय हो। सुनो वीरू, go pay the sculptor who's waiting at the reception.
Sir, no one is here.
The sculptor left the campus. He literally vanished even without accepting a penny in return. It was a blessing of Lord Ganesha in disguise. The store on the Mysore Road and the salesperson could not be located again even after trying multiple times. जय हो गणपति बप्पा, तुम्हारी जय हो।
गणानां गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सूर्य पूजाचार एकदंत चंद्रमा ललाट राजे ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश कालदय पुरपद गावे अति विचित्र गणनाथ आज मृदंग बजावे मृदंग बजावे मृदंग बजावे। चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को दो दिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को लागत हूँ पद को लागत हूँ पद को।
Dr. Mohan Magnani's professional journey and various awards that he has won?
Sure. When Dr. Mohan Magnani took over the chairmanship of New Horizon Educational Institution in early 1990, the trust had 3 institutions for primary, secondary and teacher education. Since then, in the last 35 years of his journey with New Horizon, he had set stratospheric goals and took measured path to achieve them with tremendous success. His professional journey and innumerable accolades is a testimony of excellence. Let's have a glimpse of his brilliant journey with New Horizon Group of Institutions.
and reported many of Dr. Magnani's contributions and initiatives as a nationalist and a staunch Hindutva flag bearer.
Exactly. His patriotic fervor, right from his days at RSS, is unparalleled. His various initiatives and mammoth financial support for our country are beyond anyone's imagination and rationale. From Swachh Bharat to Ram Janmabhoomi Pratishthan, from Army Relief Fund contribution to his support to various Hindu religious organizations, temples, and innumerable orphanages, makes Dr. Mohan Magnani truly a gem of Bharat. Indeed, he is a gem of Bharat. We and the youth of India must join hands to celebrate his matchless patriotic fervor.
मिट्टी की मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा। सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा। मेरी धरती मुझसे पूछ रही कब मेरा कर्ज चुकाओगे, मेरा हमदर्द मुझसे पूछ रहा कब अपना धर्म निभाओगे। मैंने वचन दिया भारत माँ को, वचन दिया भारत माँ को, तेरा शीश नहीं झुकने दूंगा। इस मिट्टी की मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा।
What an incredible saga of success. This will be our cover story for all leading newspapers and magazines. Sir, we all would love to meet Dr. Mohan Magnani and salute him for his incredible journey.
Yes, we all must salute him. Today is his birthday, and from my sources, I got the information that he's currently attending a celebration at New Horizon Gurukul. Why don't you go there and get a chance to meet him in person? Please wait. We will also join you to wish our master.
മോഹിപ്പിക്കും പെണ്ണാണേ അണിവാനത്താരം പെണ്ണിൻ മെയ്യും നിന്നാണേ താരം നിന്നെ കണ്ടാലമ്പും മില്ലും വച്ചേനെ കവിതോനെ കണ്ണഞ്ചിക്കാൻ തോറും മച്ചാണേ നെഞ്ചോരം തോറുണ്ട് ചുറ്റോരം ശീലുണ്ട് കണ്ടാലും തോറും കൊണ്ടാടുണ്ട് ഒന്നാട്ടച്ചേരാക്കാൻ നല്ല പെട്ടാറുണ്ട് കണ്ടൽ കെട്ടി തപ്പും മുട്ടിച്ചന്റെ കൊട്ടി കാത്തിരിക്കും നേരം മുന്നേ ചില്ലം ചില്ലാല
majestic saga of success and incredible life of Dr. Mohan Magnani is a source of great inspiration for the youth of our country. Dear viewers, we turn our camera lights to the man of the millennium, the gem of Bharat, Dr. Mohan Magnani. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause for our beloved chairman. Happy birthday, sir. Everyone is eager to listen to your message.
Hari Om. All of you are, I must say, very, very lucky. Please sit down. All of you are very, very lucky that your parents have sent you to New Horizon Gurukul. And if you study well, if you give your commitment, you can achieve many, many big things in life. I was not fortunate like you to go to a premier school. I went to a very, very ordinary school where I had no facilities, zero facilities. And today I am here in front of you after achieving many success in my life. So, message for all of you is very clear. You should not stop yourself. You should not get depressed. You should not be demotivated. With whatever issue or problem you face in your earlier life, later life, in your professional or academics, once you want to achieve something, once you are determined to get the success, no one can stop you. I was very sure I wanted to achieve success in my life. I wanted to serve my country. I wanted to serve my religion. And I never gave up. After facing all kind of hardship in my life, I did not broke down, and I was very, very determined to achieve my dreams. In fact, I never had one dream. I always normally carry a number of dreams in my pockets. I am not a person who will get satisfied easily with one dream. I had number of dreams. I had dream about serving my country. I had a dream about my family, about owning a good house, in fact owning a good car also. Serving society, running orphanages, and the concept is clear. You don't achieve things without hard work. You need to give 100% commitment. You need to be committed. You need to achieve. You need to work hard for your dream. I wish you all the best, my children, and I am sure each and everyone present here will make New Horizon proud, will make your country proud. Okay, Sargam wanted me to tell you about one of my dreams. Please sit down. Please sit everyone. It's a very short story. I had my office in Dalamal Tower, Nariman Point, and my office was in basement in Mumbai, in basement. Those days, the technology was not good, and in my office there was no toilet. So I had to actually go few kilometers away whenever I need to, freshen up. And one day I had the opportunity of visiting the builder of that building. He was on the 14th or maybe 16th floor, something of the same building. I went to meet him. He had the fantastic office. entire 16th floor, overlooking entire Mumbai city, Arabian Sea, excellent view. And I was hardly maybe 18 or 20 years old. That day I thought, one day I will have an office like him. That was my dream. I never gave up on my dream. Around 12 years ago, I built a building in our New Horizon Knowledge Park in, what is the name of building? Subhash Chandra Bose block, and I am having office on the 7th floor overlooking entire IT hub of Bangalore and entire floor. And I can proudly say my office is better than that builder's office. And I worked more than 30 years or 35 years to achieve that office. But 30 or 35 years, I had that dream. I had not forgotten about that. All the best, my dear students, all the best, dear.
On behalf of all Gurukalites and the staff of New Horizon Gurukul, we wish you a splendid birthday, sir. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with all of us.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words of motivation. We shall always strive to do our best. I now request our chairman, sir, and the dignitaries to please come up on the dais for the felicitation and the cake cutting.
School captains, please come up on the stage.
Kindly accept our token of gratitude, sir and ma'am. A huge round of applause, please.
Dear students, I want to tell you a wonderful thing done by your teachers. And I'm actually very, very proud of them. As a policy, I don't take any gifts on my birthday. So what your teachers have done, they have collected 67,700 rupees for giving gift to me, and that money they have donated to Gaushala. This is for your teachers. Thank you, teachers.
The majestic
Hari Om everyone. Let's have a thunderous applause for our Honorable Chairman Dr. Mohan Magnani and wish him many, many happy returns of the day once again. Sir, under your visionary guidance and support, our school has flourished, reaching ever greater heights with each passing year. Today, the festivities reach a crescendo, not just because of the joyous occasion, but because of the remarkable news we are about to share. It is with immense pride and overwhelming joy that we announce another glorious milestone in our illustrious history. We are thrilled to share that one of our outstanding students, Miss Pallavi Doshi, has secured first rank in All India Secondary School Examination 2023-24 in Bangalore region. With an aggregate score of 497 marks out of 500, she has brought a prestigious honor to our school. Can we please have a big round of applause for her? Bangalore Sahodaya Schools Complex Association has awarded her with a cash prize of Rs 4,000 and a coveted trophy. She has also been awarded with a certificate of merit for securing centum in Sanskrit along with a cash prize of Rs 1,500. Please join us in congratulating her for her extraordinary performance. She has not only etched her name in our halls of fame, but has also ignited a spark of inspiration within each and every one of our students. Her stellar performance exemplifies the heights of academic excellence we strive for and the limitless potential within our student community. Please join us in congratulating her once again. Congratulations, Pallavi. We are elated to announce that the prestigious third rank in the AISSE 2023-24 Bangalore region has also been secured by one of our exceptional students, Master Ruchit Tejas Shah. He is awarded with a cash prize and a coveted trophy by Bangalore Sahodaya Schools Complex Association. Though he could not join us today, but we extend our heartfelt congratulations to him for his outstanding achievement. Adding to the rundown of our triumphs, 28 of our outstanding students were also awarded by BSSCA with individual certificates and cash prizes for securing 29 centums across various subjects. Congratulations for all for their remarkable achievements.
Hari Om everyone. Happy birthday to our beloved chairman, sir, first. When me and my fellow school captain Nandita had cut the cake, it symbolizes the whole students of New Horizon Gurukul. All Gurukulites have cut the cake.
Everybody join us to wish Chairman Sir once again a very happy birthday, sir.